Welcome to my channel. I'm here with the introduction of another valuable course. The course Basics of Cloud Computing is a great opportunity to learn the fundamentals, service models, security, and architecture of cloud computing. It is suitable for students, IT professionals, and business managers who are looking to grow professionally and take advantage of modern technologies. With up-to-date and practical content, this course prepares you to enter the digital world. This course has around 46,000 students and a rating of 4.4, making it a successful and practical choice. Its current price is approximately €20. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and benefit from future updates. The total duration of the course is 4 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn Introduction to Cloud Computing and its history, characteristics, components, advantage and challenges. Cloud migration and business impact. Cloud architecture and networking. Cloud reference model and layers. Types of cloud computing: public, private, hybrid and community. Cloud service model, IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. Virtualization in cloud computing. Security in cloud computing. Now I want to offer this exciting course to you for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then simply open your browser and search for the address discountedcourseninja.com on Google. In the results shown to you, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches what is shown here and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you will land on the homepage of the site. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for courses. Use the search bar to find the course you're looking for. You can also browse through categories to find your desired topics. Here you will find our featured course. Now scroll down and click on the button Get the Coupon. The course will be available to you for free. Please note that the coupon has a time limit. With just a few clicks, you now have legal and free access to this course. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.